Hey everybody, what's up? Well, today's video, a little simple startup video of my FS90 for Working Smart. Let's see how it's running. So this was the exact same trimmer that I featured in a previous lawn cutting video where I filmed myself and Steve cutting through thick brushes with a blade. Now I have the trimmer head attachment back on. So right after that video, I had experienced some problems with the trimmer. I wasn't getting enough gas properly, wasn't starting very well, and it would just cut off until I started to rev it. And to me, I thought this was the valves, because these do have valves and they do need adjusting after the first 139 hours of use. And it turns out it was not the problem, it was a carburetor issue. The diaphragm was bad, so they had to change it, and then the repair shop unfortunately charged me for it, even though that this trimmer is only a year old and I have 2 years warranty on it. That really sucks, but anyway, give a cold start on it. Not a fan of these gas caps. I had to replace it after the 4th month I owned it. It broke, no surprise. These are flimsy things. Alright, so it's on, choke, and it does sound a little louder than before. The muffler screen was removed. So there we go. And whoop, should have been on run. I also adjusted the idle speed. I turned it a little lower. That sounds a little louder and meaner too at the same time. Cool. But at least I know it starts first pull every time. What you should expect from a FS90R. Alright everyone, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.